This is a good friend of mine's 1957 Chevy pickup truck. It's on a modern 3/4 ton frame. It's got a 468 big block in it with an NV 4500 trans. It's made to look like the old forestry pickups, if you can see here. We got hubcaps, narrow tires, with a decent lift. It's a very nice truck. We'll be putting Nostalgia Air in this today. This kit was bought off a Facebook Marketplace, and we're gonna make it work. So I'm gonna walk you through the steps. So a few things with this kit. This was bought to go on a small block Chevy. It was bought for a single turbo setup, and it was bought to mount on the bottom side of the motor. So some things you got to watch for when you do buy kits like this. You're gonna probably have a few parts missing. I had to fabricate some stuff for this. One, it was bought for a small block with a single turbo. It was mounting on the bottom passenger side of the motor. So this is a 468 big block. It's mounting on the top of the motor, so I had to buy brackets correct for the application. I did have to fabricate some vent holders for the vents underneath the dash, and I had to fabricate a few of the mounting things for the condenser in the front, and just miscellaneous brackets. But overall, it fit well. Seems to function good. It's just a few of those things. One of the big issues was that I didn't notice upon getting this is a compressor bracket was cut off of the compressor so it could fit on the motor underneath. That ear that was cut off was needed to mount on the top of the 468, so I did have to get a different compressor. So things to watch for when you buy off Marketplace or used items in general. Swap meet finds, you name it. Everybody wants to save a buck. Sometimes it leads into a few things that you have to fabricate and make work for the dollars saved.
sister and brother, 'cause he only got one ride.
All right, from here, I'm gonna have Shauna show you the finished product installed on the motor. She's gonna go through the interior and show you the vents mounted, the controls mounted, and so forth. This kit took me a couple days to install, just after work and playing around. It's really not too bad. You do need a hose crimper for AC lines and fittings. You'll see that in the video. I do crimp the hoses, and a lot of it is just trial test fitting everything, getting everything the right length, cutting, crimping, and then putting back together. So those of you who haven't done an AC kit before, don't be scared of it. It tells you exactly what charge to put in it. It tells you the operating pressures. We'll go into that a little bit more throughout the video too. So from here, I'm gonna let Shauna take over. She's gonna go through the engine compartment, go through the cab, and I'll meet back up with you for adding the final charge into the system. well, we're done with this one. We're gonna shut the hood, take it out for a test drive, and we'll see you on the next project.